Assalamualaikum friends, I am Maida Said and you are watching Indian Information YouTube channel. Today we will let you know about some online free learning resources. Before moving towards our topic, please tap subscribe button and bell icon so that you will get notifications for new videos. So let's move to our mobile screen. There are many great resources available online for free that can help you learn new skills, expand your knowledge and advance your career. Here are 4 of my favorites. Is Khan Academy website. Khan Academy is a non-profit educational organization that provides free world-class education for anyone, anywhere. Khan Academy offers over 10,000 interactive exercises, videos and articles on a wide range of subjects including math, science, computer science, art, economics and history. This is it, the Khan Academy website. If you want to start, you have to press start here. This is the math, this is the reading and language arts, this is the skills, this is science, this is test prep, this is computing, this is arts, this is economics, this is partner contact, and this is why Khan Academy works. Students practice at their own pace, first filling in gaps in their understanding and then accelerating their learning. Created by experts, Khan Academy's library of trusted practice and lessons covers math, science and more. Always free for learners and teachers. With Khan Academy, teachers can identify gaps in their students' understanding, tailor instruction and meet the needs of every student. So if you want to start your online class, you have to press here, teachers, start here. Second one is Internet Archive website. The Internet Archive is a non-profit digital library that offers a vast collection of free books, movies, software, music and other resources. You can find millions of books on the Internet Archive, including textbooks, novels and biographies. So this is what? This is the American libraries, this is the audio books and poetry, this is the additional calculation, this is APK archive, this is live music archive, this is the Canadian libraries, this is the arts and music, electric sheep, movies, University of Toronto, United States, television archive and all of this. This is awesome. Third one is EDX website. EDX is a non-profit online learning platform that offers courses from top universities and institutes around the world. EDX courses are free to audit, but you can pay for a verified certificate if you want. So here you can search courses. There are the 4,000 plus courses here. This is the artificial intelligence. This is the Oxford Senior Learnership. This is strategic communication. This is nutrition science. This is master's degrees in so much subject. This is the bachelor's degrees. And this is the explore top courses. This is the computer science. This is the data science. This is the business, healthcare and more of this. And the last one is W3 Schools website. So W3 Schools is a website that provides free tutorials on web development technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. W3 Schools is a great resource for everyone who wants to learn how to build websites. So this is here you can search. This is the HTML. There are some options: learn HTML, video tutorial, HTML reference, get certified. Is the CSS, learn CSS, get certified, CSS reference. This is the JavaScript, learn JavaScript reference, get certified. This is the Python, learn Python reference, get certified. This is the SQL, PHP, jQuery, Java, C++, W3, CSS, Bootstrap, C, R, Kotlin, React, Vue, and more. There are just a few of the many great free online learning courses available. With a little effort, you can find the resources you need to learn new skills, advance your career, and reach your goals. So guys, what are you waiting for? Check out all the websites: the Khan Academy, EDX website, W3 Schools website, Internet Archive website. These are all awesome. So guys, I hope this video will be very useful for you. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to share my videos, because knowledge increases by sharing. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.